would the government also give any other Aam Aadmi of this country, and not just Hemant Soren and Arvind Kejriwal, 2 times, 3 times, up to 7 times you give summons, they keep replying. Why? Why do you let Arvind Kejriwal... No, why do you allow Arvind Kejriwal to behave like a VVIP? Any other person would have been arrested by now. But in Kejriwal's case, you keep sending him love letters. Why?
Akshay Marathe has made zero sense throughout the debate. He's been going on yapping Ajit Pawar's name umpteen times without making any coherent point. Now, Akshay Marathe, listen carefully. You asked about Chhagan Bhujbal and you asked about Ajit Pawar. Now, since you made, a reckless allegation, I need to say this to you. Under the Constitution, under Article 32, any Indian citizen, if he or she feels that the courts have been unfair to any third party, either by way of unfairly, detaining somebody, arresting somebody, or there's an unfair trial, Article 32 of the Constitution gives you as a bona fide Indian citizen, which I assume you are, the right to enforce your fundamental rights and go to the court and file a habeas corpus petition in the Supreme Court. आपको यदि तकलीफ हो रही है that Ajit Pawar is out, Chhagan Bhujbal is not in the jail, is not in lockup, I request you to use your powers under Article 32 as an Indian citizen, go and file a habeas corpus petition in India's Supreme Court rather than sitting and crying on national television on Republic. And trying to justify your Arvind Kejriwal, whose days are numbered. Give me an answer. Where has the 338 crore disappeared? The Supreme Court has said 338 crore worth of money trail has been established. You don't seem to be answering the question. You are out of syllabus. The debate today is on Kejriwal skipping the ED summons. The debate is not on Bhujbal. The debate is not on Ajit Pawar. Stop indulging in whataboutery. You should be ashamed. When you arrested Manpreet Badal, immediately after he joined the BJP, did the BJP cry on national television? No. When your Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab arrested Sukhpal Singh Khaira of the Congress, you said the law is following the land. So when you arrest Sukhpal Khaira, law is following the land. When you arrest BJP's Manpreet Badal, law of the land is being followed.
I think, however, having said that, I think you're giving too much of a long rope to Arvind Kejriwal and Hemant Soren. And I believe the ED should not give such a long rope to politicians, because if it does that, it's setting a dangerous precedent, and everybody getting an ED summons will now ask for a series of letters to be exchanged and months and years to be passed, which is not right.